Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Dr. Liz McGloughlin, co-founder and CEO of Tympany Medical. And I'm delighted to be here in beautiful Barcelona to introduce you to Solascope. So, Solas means light, oscoilga. Now, many of you may not know, but Irish people are obsessed with light. We talk about it on a daily basis, about the grand stretch in the evening and how the change in the clocks are going to affect our day. And many of our ancestors were also obsessed with light, building Neolithic tombs in honor of light itself. So we continue that obsession and passion for light as we develop Solascope, the first panoramic, single-use, sustainable endoscope platform for ENT surgery and beyond. Visualization in surgery is changing, and we will be at the heart of that. We're developing groundbreaking solutions for the $2.5 billion rigid surgical endoscope market, which is actively being disruptive with significant ongoing investment and technology advances. Our first endoscope will be certified with the FDA at the end of this year, and we've been supported to date by leading investment, clinical and academic partners across the world. We are BioInnovate Ireland's spin-out company, led by myself and Rory O'Callaghan. I'm a medical doctor with a passion for needs-led innovation, and Rory is an experienced engineer with deep expertise in design. We have a team of 14 in Galway, with a mixture of engineering, photonics, electronics, and support staff. And in 2023, we brought Michael Gilmore to the senior team, who's got a background of over 25 years' experience in medical device manufacturing, both at startup and multinational level. We have also, since our seed investment in 2021, developed a world-class board, including Barry Russell as chair, Helen Ryan, Paura Curtis, and most recently, Charlie Wilhelm, former COO and director of Karl Storz USA. Visualization in surgical setting is still really, really tricky. So with the current state of the art, surgeons undertaking functional endoscopic sinus surgery have to prepare 4 endoscopes to allow complete visualization of the field: 0 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, and 70 degrees. Additionally, there are multiple cleaning steps required to clean the endoscope as the surgeon goes through the surgical procedure. Many of you will have played sport and have been told, don't take your eye off the ball. Surgeons currently consistently take their eye off the surgical site, reducing the accuracy and safety of the surgical procedure. This leads to up to 30% reintervention rates in functional endoscopic sinus surgery due to reduced visualization. The endoscopy market is a hot topic at the moment. Many companies are emerging in this single-use flexible space, being led by companies such as Ambu. We are targeting the rigid surgical market, an estimated $2.5 billion opportunity in the US alone. Single-use endoscopy is still growing at a compound annual growth rate of 17%, and ENT is projected to have the fastest growth rate in the use of disposable endoscopes. This is why we are targeting ENT as our first market. However, our platform can be scalable across other market indications. Solascope is the world's first single-use panoramic self-cleaning endoscope. The 2 key differentiating features of our endoscope is that we deliver panoramic visualization, dropping from 4 scopes to just 1 scope, and have a self-cleaning lens system, reducing the amount of times the surgeon have to take the scope out of the surgical site. Additionally, it is a single-use sterile endoscope, ensuring that there is no cross-contamination or infection risk in between cases. This has been validated with many surgeons across multiple specialties, and they are describing it as a game-changing technology, and many of them are excited to integrate it into their practice. In order to own the surgical customer, Tympany will deliver the Solascope system. This system will not only be driven by our rotating head and panoramic visualization endoscope, but will also have an option of the 0 degree endoscope. This allows us to have flexibility both from a clinical and cost perspective for the surgeon, and reduces operative challenges of changing out technologies throughout the operating list during the day. Why now? Many people have tried and failed to address this panoramic visualization problem. However, we are leveraging advances in CMOS technology, delivering improved image quality, miniaturized electronics allowing for 4mm endoscope design, advanced electronic packaging, which allows us to have a scalable manufacturing process, and most significantly, our optoelectronic integration, which allows the optical transfer of power and data through our endoscope for 360-degree rotation, allowing panoramic visualization, and our wiper cleaning mechanism. Single-use endoscopy is growing, and we know it's here to stay. However, there is an obvious issue with waste. We are working with partners to undertake life cycle analysis to ensure that our endoscopes are at the lowest level of impact as possible. And this is something that we are very passionate about, and we're working towards reducing the amount of waste by having a reusable handle and reusable camera control unit to deliver to the market. We have a very clear regulatory and reimbursement landscape with a 510(k) pathway for our technologies. Our first zero-degree endoscope will be certified early next year, and our follow-on products in 26 and 27. From a reimbursement perspective, there are clear codes for us to get reimbursed, and we will focus on delivering our products to the ambulatory surgical sites in the first instance. These sites are crying out for new technologies to provide advanced care to the ambulatory surgical patient. This is a busy market, and we know why. There is huge volumes of procedures. However, the most exciting place to look is the emerging sterile endoscope market. With over 85 million in VC funding deployed over the last 36 months into rigid endoscopy alone, this is a really exciting place to be. Tympany is not just a fast follow. We have two core differentiating factors that are clinically impactful: our self-cleaning mechanism and our panoramic visualization. We are seeking to raise 20 million to deliver our Solascope system to the marketplace and have many value inflection points along this roadmap. We are very excited to introduce Solascope to you here today and would really welcome the opportunity to allow us to deliver Solascope, a visibly better technology for patients and surgeons and everybody. Thank you.